Hi, so my name is Ria and I'm an education officer here at the Armagh Observatory and Planetarium. So the book came about during lockdown. We were working from home and we still wanted to engage with our audiences. So one of the ideas we had was to do some science experiments and arts and crafts activities as well. We then uploaded these onto our social media platforms and we received really positive feedback from all our followers. And from the success of our online engagement, we then applied for funding and were successful. We were then able to create our book. And today we were very lucky enough to have a local school come down and help us with our school's launch of our book. We had lots of activities planned, so we did, and the students also made some of the experiments that are in the book. Some of the experiments they did were fizzy rockets, making alien slime, egg drop, and Newton's magic beads. And today we also surprised the children with our astronaut, who then handed out all the kids a copy of our book. They were all so excited and they all said they're going to do and try some of the experiments at home themselves. And if you want to try any of the experiments at home, we also have QR codes in all of the books that link directly to our videos on YouTube. We've also gifted all the primary schools in Northern Ireland a copy too. And here at the Armagh Observatory and Planetarium, we aim to inspire young people in the area of STEM, and we hope that this book will do that.